Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith from Piece of Cake, and I want to show you how to take crocheted snowflakes and make them into ornaments. Now I'm starting with these garlands. They're cotton, they're really nice. What you do is cut them apart, leaving the strings attached or not. It's probably easier to have the strings. Then you're going to gather some waxed paper and some glitter and some glue. I had tacky glue on hand, so that's what I used, but other clear glue like Elmer's glue would probably work as well. You want something that will dry clear. I got a paper plate and I squeezed some of the glue out onto the plate and mixed it with a little water. Don't make it too thin. And when you put the crochet into it, I just used my finger and squished it around and got the glue on both sides. I squished it and squished it. And then I picked it up by the string and very carefully with my fingertips, I squeezed out not all but a lot of the glue water mixture. I did try fabric medium. It did not work as well. You're welcome to it if you've got it, but it didn't dry as stiff as I wanted it to, so I like the glue better. Place the gluey wet snowflakes on waxed paper and shape it with your fingers. Squeeze out any extra glue that you don't want drying visibly, and then hit it with glitter. I like this white fine Martha Stewart glitter, but you could use whatever you have on hand. I also pulled out some of my gold glitter and I pulled out some green glitter. Honestly, I think kids would probably like the colored glitter better. And you can glitter both sides. When you get it on one side, you can flip the thing while it's wet and add more glitter. Or not, just glitter the one side. After making a few snowflakes that were natural colored, I decided I wanted to make some that were white, so I added acrylic paint to the glue and water mixture. And I squished it around, mixed it up with a foam brush because I didn't want to get paint all over my fingers. I did it on both sides just the way I did before, and then I used the foam brush to get out as much of the excess paint as I could, and I laid it out on a paper towel, and then I hit it with some more glitter and let it dry. While it's on the paper towel, remember to shape it so that the snowflake shape is really nice. I let my snowflakes air dry. It took about 24 hours. I flipped them once or twice. You could probably speed that up with a hair dryer or a fan if you wanted to. When they're dry, they're rigid. You could break them, I'm sure, but in general, they're going to hold their shape. If you are making these with children, it might make sense to get them to this stage before you add glitter or paint, and then that way the kids could do things more quickly and not have to wait through the drying process. What I found was having the little ties at the top made them easier to handle. I don't know that I will necessarily use the ties when attaching them to the tree, but you could. What might work better would be to cut the ties off and then put a wire ornament hanger looped through one of the edges. I hope you've enjoyed this idea for making ornaments, whether you make them to give away yourself or you use this idea with the children in your life. So enjoy, and may you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.